Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to start working online. But the problem that everyone struggles to promote and get traffic with these affiliate links. This is why in this video, I will help you. I will share with you my top 10 smart methods to promote affiliate links and get more commissions. These are the same methods I used to promote more than 15 affiliate programs and help me build a stable income stream with affiliate marketing. If you are ready, let's start. Number one is done for you templates. What we can do simply is to create a template and give it for free to people. For example, a sales funnel template. The idea is that these templates are built with services and tools. So when you give someone this template, they need to sign up to the service to use it. And simply, they will sign up through your affiliate link. Let me show you two examples that you can start implementing right now. Number one is ClickFunnels. You can earn up to 40% monthly recurring commission. And with the ClickFunnels, you can create sales funnels and templates, squeeze pages, a lot of things, and provide for free. And people will sign up through your link when they want to use your templates. Another example is System.io. You get 50% lifetime commissions. The same way you can build sales funnels and templates and squeeze pages and share it with people, and people will sign up through your link with System.io. Now, if you are wondering, okay, we don't have a lot of programs like this, don't worry. If you combine this strategy with strategy number 9, that I will show you in a little bit in this video, you can almost promote any service like this. You will see. Just some patience. Number 2 is email marketing. In email, we have 3 main methods to promote affiliate links. Number 1 is with ad spots. You can add an ad inside your email newsletter. The second method is within the context. You can share the links. And number 3 with cold mailing, but not spamming. I will show you exactly how this happens in strategy number 9 also. Number 9 is really somehow a great strategy. It can be combined with a lot of other methods to double your revenue and make more commissions. So let me show you now 2 examples how to promote affiliate with emails. So the first example is a newsletter I sent the last month. So in this newsletter, in this section, you can see here I'm promoting Canva affiliate link. This is called promoting within the context. So you're sending an email and you're talking about a certain service, for example, helps people in something, and you mention your affiliate link within the context. The second example about ad spot is a newsletter from Starter Story. If you go here down, you will see that they have this spot here. It's an ad promoting this program. So in the same way, you can promote ad spaces or affiliate programs with an ad space inside your newsletter. The third method is cold mailing. We will see how this works in strategy number 9. The third method is through ebooks. If you go down to my website, you will see I have an ebooks page. I create free ebooks like this one, The Power of Emails, Profitable Niche, Ultimate Affiliate Marketing Guide, and so on. If you open one of these ebooks like this one, The Power of Emails, and you go down, you will find a lot of links here, and a lot of them are affiliate links like promoting MailWiz, Mautic, Sandy, other applications. And you can see here also some affiliate links, a seal, marketing system, and so on. So you can create an ebook, give value to people, and within the ebook, you can add your affiliate links. And if you are wondering how to track these clicks from these ebooks, you can simply use my free link shortener, link.me. Totally free. Go get started and track your links and clicks. From which country, how many clicks per day, and much more, totally for free. Now maybe you're asking, okay, I created an ebook, how I can promote this ebook? To help you and to make things simple and fast in this video, in the description below I will leave a link where you can find a lot of websites where you can submit your ebooks totally for free and get some downloads and get some traffic, and free downloads to your ebook. Number 4 is to create a starter toolkit. It's one of the best strategies, by the way. It's simply creating a collection of tools and resources for someone to achieve a certain task. For example, let's say someone wants to create a WordPress website. So this person wants a set of tools, hosting, domain providers, all these resources and tools to create the website. So you create this simple starter toolkit for anything, maybe for YouTubers, maybe for WordPress, maybe for creating a website, maybe for SEO. A lot of ideas we have. You create the starter toolkit and provide for free. And when someone uses your toolkit, they will use your affiliate links. Let me show you an example. This is the affiliate marketer toolkit that I promoted. It's simply a PDF I created with PowerPoint, by the way, And on each page we have a tool. You can see on each page we have a tool that helps affiliate marketers. A small paragraph, a small picture with a tool link, and all the links here are affiliate links. That's simple. You can do this in like 30 minutes. And by the way, I have here on my channel a full video about this strategy, how to promote startup kits. It's a challenge video, by the way. It's called Earn $500 in 27 Days Online Challenge. I showed you step by step in 20 minutes how to create this toolkit and how to promote it and everything with the results I got in detail. It's a full case study. If you like, after this video, you can check the link in the description below. Strategy number 5 is somehow advanced, but I think it's worth mentioning. Without talking too much, let me show you a direct example. We have a website called codecanyon.net. If you are following me, I think you heard about it before. So here people create and sell scripts, templates, themes, and much more. For example, this script here, someone is selling it, URL short on a script. If you go down here to the documentation on how to install this script, you will see that this service shows a recommended hosting section. So if you got this script, if you bought this script and you want to install it, you need a hosting. And this person or this guy is promoting his own affiliate links. You can see DigitalOcean, HostGator, Emotion Hosting, promoting his own and recommending his own affiliate links so he can make money with his script and with affiliate marketing. So if you are a developer, someone creating scripts, anyone posting on Code Canyon, you can use a strategy to combine both selling scripts or selling digital products with promoting affiliate links. And think about it, if you have any product that requires a documentation, don't forget the documentation to use your own affiliate links so you can multiply your revenue and profits. Number 6 is publishing on medium.com. What's nice about Medium is you can start publishing today and you don't need to worry about SEO and writing long articles and so on. Simple, clean, and short articles can get you a lot of traffic, a lot of conversions, and let you promote anything you want inside Medium. Look at my article. 4-minute read, 3-minute read. If you open it, it's simple, clean, catchy titles, catchy thumbnails, catchy images, and 2-3 paragraphs with valuable content. You can promote whatever you want. Of course, don't spam people on Medium. And remember always, when you want to share affiliate links, make sure to add a disclosure at the end. This simple sentence: some external links are affiliate links. That's all. So add this disclosure, don't spam, publish on Medium, focus on the catchy titles, catchy thumbnails, make it simple, short, and to the point, and you will get a lot of free traffic from Medium. In the last 30 days only, I got around 10,000 views from Medium without doing anything, just publishing 2 times per week on Medium. You have to do this right now. Number 7 is blogging and growing with SEO. I think everyone here knows that blogging is a great way to promote affiliate links. But in this video, I want to share with you 8 tips to promote with your blog. 8 mini methods inside your blog to implement right now. Number 1 is the resources page. You can create a page like this on your website, tools you use, and you can add all your affiliate links in this page. Number 2 is the footer link. You can see here I am mentioning that I am hosting my website with Kinsta, and this is an affiliate link. Number 3 is pop-ups. You can use servers like Add This to create simply a pop-up totally for free, like this one here, link promotion, and publish inside your website. Or you can simply use my free service, Website Boost, to create pop-ups on any website you want totally for free, like this one here. You can see it. Number 4 is adding call to actions in your blogs at the end of your blogs. For example, in this post here, if you go down here, we have this call to action and we have affiliate links. Another one here, if you go down here, we have this sentence here at the end promoting a link, and so on. So add call to actions at the end of your articles or posts to promote an affiliate product. Number 5, of course, banner ads. For example, here on iSuper Tools, I can publish a banner ad on the right area and promote an affiliate program. Number 6 is simply product reviews. For example, here I have TubeBuddy review. I review this service, and you can see all these green links are affiliate links. Number 7 is to create a comparison post like this one, Render Forest versus NVIDIA, and I promote both affiliate programs, so whatever the user selects, I get a commission. Number 8 is how-to articles. Create a tutorial. Within a tutorial, you can promote your own affiliate program so people can follow you step by step and join through your links. That's enough for blogging. Let's move on now to strategy number 8. Number 8 is simply YouTube plus video SEO. Create tutorials and product reviews on YouTube and promote your own affiliate link in the description. But make sure to optimize your video for SEO to get free organic views from YouTube, especially if you are a new YouTube channel. For example, in my channel here, if you open this video, you will see I'm promoting here Phrase Affiliate Program. So, and by the way, you don't need to show your face if you don't want. You can simply use Camtasia as I do, or any screen recording video to create tutorials or product reviews about services and show you affiliate links. And don't forget video SEO. I showed exactly how I rank my videos step by step in the video SEO guide. You can check in the description below. Go now and publish videos, get traffic, promote affiliate with YouTube. Finally, strategy number 9, one of the best strategies I love. It's simply about doubling your revenue by combining selling services and affiliate links. Let me show you an example. Here on my website, I provide multiple services. Let's say this one here, installing PHP script from Code Canyon. If you go down here to the requirements, you will see the customer, the client requires to have a server, a domain name, a script, and so on. So I share my affiliate links in the requirements. So in this way, I can double my revenue. I can make money with affiliate links and with the service itself. And by the way, a small secret, this is drop servicing. I don't do any of these services by myself. If you don't know what is drop servicing and how to start with, it's one of the best strategies to start in 2023, by the way. So go now and watch my video how I make an extra $500 to $1,000 per month with drop servicing without doing anything by myself. It's interesting. Okay, now you may be wondering, you told us you can combine strategy number 2, which is email or cold mailing, with this strategy. How this happens? It's simply because when you want to promote your services, you will be using cold mailing. It's one of the top methods to promote a service. Cold mailing, paid ads, and content to promote services. So with cold mailing, you are promoting any service. For example, installing MailWiz or Mautic. Mautic doesn't have an affiliate program. So I am promoting Mautic setup, but at the same time, I'm promoting a VPS, a hosting. So I promote my own affiliate links with the service with one package with cold mailing. This is how things work. If you don't want to spam, this is how you can promote affiliate with cold mailing by promoting your own services. This idea alone, if you take this sentence alone, you can shake it in your head and create a lot of ideas, do a lot of things with, by the way. Keep it somewhere, write it down, and think about it when you have some time, and double your revenue with this awesome strategy. Strategy number 10 before the bonus strategy, it's simply about social media, Quora.com, and forums. We talked about this a lot. Simply use these sources, forums, Quora, and social media, to drive traffic, not to your affiliate links directly, but to your content, like to your blog, to your PDFs, to your ebooks, to your starter toolkit, to Medium, to all these content you created, so you can promote them. Then within your content, you can promote your affiliate links. Don't use social media and spam affiliate links here and there. It's a bad strategy. We want to build a strong income stream here, not to spam people here and there on social media. Now the bonus strategy, and it's really one of the best. It's about creating quizzes and advisors. For example, this is a health score quiz. You can start it, anyone can run through this wizard or this quiz, and at the end, this quiz will recommend for you the best program depending or based on your results. Another example we mentioned before is web hosting advisor. This tool, you tell it, I want to build a blog, I want to use WordPress, and so on. And at the end, it will tell you the best hosting for you, and it will, of course, use affiliate links. Another example is my own website, Fast Domain. For example, domain generator. Write here anything and click on generate. And now you can see all these green buttons. If someone likes a name from here, click on buy. They will buy using my own affiliate link from Name Silo. I showed how I built this website exactly step by step, the full case study in a full video here on my channel. If you want to clone this strategy on your own and automate affiliate marketing with tools, websites, and scripts and wizards, you can check this video here. If you have any questions, I'll be waiting for you in the comments section below. See you later.